In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Planner background. So in order to do that, you need to first head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you should be able to see in here this part. So do take note that before you go into here, you need to create a Microsoft account that is part of a team or an organization. It only works on those and doesn't work on personal Microsoft. So do take note of that. Click on this sign in option in order to sign in for your actual Microsoft account. You can also get the planner using your iOS and Android. So here is my actual planner. I already have in here something open. So for this, click onto this My Plans option in order to find the planner that you want to change the background. I have in here these plans. So what we can do is we can just hover to a specific plan that you wish to edit. For example, let's edit this everyday life. Once you hover to it, you can see that we have this tax icon as well as this three dots or ellipses. Click on this ellipsis option and you can see these options right here. So for this, proceed to open this particular plan. Now in here we have our plan. So for this, you can just proceed to click on this drop down and we only have this option for plan details and the likes. Proceed to click on this plan details right here. You can see in here our general tab. We have in here the plan name, and we also have right here our suggested backgrounds. So for this, just choose right here the background that you wish to use. I'll head over and choose in here this one. As you can see, that background will be added. Now do take note that you only can use suggested backgrounds and you can't upload a picture that you want to use of your own. So just choose right here the actual background that you wish to use. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video will help you out.